Too bad these aren't on sale. $42.
Did they just call? I heard that. That was very rattling. We are not in quarantine right now.
Can't say stuff like that.
We're at Target because we are out of milk and we are out of...
Yeah, let's see. Lemons, we need lemons. We need water.
We need water.
We need a couple of food items that we're out of so we don't starve to death.
Kind of like essentials like eggs, milk, masking people. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can't see him. And I have a mask right now because I am following the CDC recommendation to wear a mask. I'm about to be going in Target right now, so I will put on a mask. Are you gonna wear a mask?
No.
You are not following the CDC recommendation.
Why are you wearing a mask, Maya?
Let me just say that I have been wearing a mask for all of time.
That's so true.
Like, I beat y'all to this, okay? I've always been wearing a mask. Don't touch anything that you're not going to buy. Rule number one.
Should we get single?
Sure.
I'm not touching anything. You want single servings? Let's go down this side.
Like, literally, what is this? Everything's gone.
Except for the gluten-free stuff.
Yeah. Oh, no one wants gluten-free. Good job, people. Hey, that means that they're leaving it for all of the allergy
the
people.
ones who actually need it.
I don't know if you're being generous and you want all of the allergy people to live, or if you just don't like gluten-free. It's hard to tell.
Multi-surface cleaning. We don't have any wet ones.
Of course they don't, Mom. Did you see that lady?
No. What?
Okay, for some reason, the gluten-free and the dairy-free and like all of the allergy-friendly foods, we run out of them faster because they're like in smaller packs. Like they charge double and you don't get even like close to what you should get. Say cheese. Mom. Look. Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Why am I saying cheese? We're not getting cheese. That has dairy in it.
You hear that? No.
Somebody was like, it's like, go home, people. Oh, look. We do need this.
Oh, we should get the Mamaroo.
No, we shouldn't. Rock your own baby.
Only take one because we don't really need it.
No, we only need one.
Wow! I've never seen that before.
Ooh, too bad these aren't on sale. $42.
Did they just call? I heard that. That was very rattling. I don't understand that.
I'm not afraid of COVID. I'm afraid of flu A and B.
Well, that's still ramped up.
I know.
This is what I've always wanted. Because I occasionally nanny when I'm not in school. So I always want the Mamaroo. Like that is like my, you know how people like have it on their registry? Like they really want.
What? Just if you need to rock your baby, rock your baby.
I know, but like this is like so cool. And it hooks.
Machine should not
It
be
hooks up
rocking
to your
baby.
phone. It's cool.
Then there's just more EMF waves.
Oh my
Like, and
goodness.
Just. Doesn't that comfortable? Doesn't that look comfortable?
I'm not wearing it.
No, look, feel it. It's like a t-shirt.
I'm gonna get yelled at.
Why?
Cause
There's
this
nobody even here. This feels like a t-shirt.
You know what? I don't even need underwear. You know, like how like you wear shorts, and then like there's underwear in the shorts.
Underwear.
Like,
No, that's not what that's for.
like you don't need to wear underwear inside the shorts because that's where they're built in.
No, you do.
So like right now, I'm not wearing underwear.
You're kidding, right?
Wait.
Would have never left the house.
It's funny because like people don't even like want to walk by you. It's kind of funny. Where are you? Where are you? I'm coming. Wait. Wait. Is that for me? I saw it.
It's not fair.
I'm with you 24/7.
How am I supposed to get something?
Yes, Mom, I follow you like a breastfeeding child.
Why couldn't you just stay on the
I was
cart?
like, Mommy!
I saw the cart.
Literally so funny to see that I've had this for a long time, people. Like, I've been wearing a mask for a long time, and now all of a sudden, now everyone wants to be like me. Everybody should have been wearing a mask a long time ago.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I mean, germs have
Like-
been around for a long time.
Where are we going?
Done.
We're done?
We're done with our essential shopping.
109 stuff on the car.
No. Yeah, because we got to keep track of who's coming in and out.
And what are they keeping track of? I don't get it.
It's a new world.
What are they keeping track of?
Keeping track of what?
What does that mean?
It's a figure of speech.
No, it's not. They're keeping track of what? Like number of people in their store, maybe? They're practicing for the future when they tag us.
Okay, so we just left Target. We're stopping at one more place before we go home. And I just wanted to say, we started vlogging back in January, and it is now April. And I know, like, the Bath & Body Works video, you guys are just seeing that now. But for us, that was months ago. So I want the vlogs to be, like, kind of more current, you know, like more up to date. So what I'm thinking is 3 days a week that we're going to be vlogging. Definitely going to be vlogging Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then you guys will see a Throwback Thursday video of all of our vlogs from January until like March, because it's early April right now. So you guys will see all of the early vlogs from January until almost now, and then 3 days a week you guys will see a current vlog. So because I still want to upload those videos but I want the vlogs to be like current too. And we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.